So good morning students. Today we are starting with our question number 3. Question number 3 is curved surface area of the cone is given. That is curved surface area of the cone is 308 centimeter square. So curved surface area of cone is given, that is 308 centimeter square. So, and its slant height is also given. The value of this slant height is also given, that is the value of this slant height, that is value of L is also given, that is 14 centimeter. First of all you have to calculate the radius of the base. First of all you have to calculate the value of this radius R. So we know that the formula for curved surface area of cone is equals to pi r L. The value of curved surface area of cone is 308, that is equals to pi is 22.7. the value of radius is not given, the value of L is given, that is 14. You will remain this R in one side and take the other terms to other side, that is 308. This 7 will in divide, that will multiply on other side, that 22 and 14 are in multiplication, that will divide on other side. So 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the. So here you will obtain 11 to the 22, 11 to the 22, 11 8 the 28. So this is your 14, this is your 2 1 the 2 7. So the value of this radius is your 7 centimeter. Next is you have to calculate the total surface area. So the value of total surface area is your pi r L plus R. So you will put the value of pi to be 22.7, the value of radius is your 7, the value of L is your 14 plus radius is 7. This 7 will cancel and this 22 will multiply with 14 plus 7 is 21. So you will obtain the total surface area to be 462 centimeters square. That is your required answer. So next part is your question number 4. Question number 4 is a conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. The height is given, that is your 10 meter. Radius is also given, that is 24 meter. But first we have to calculate the slant height. So this is your cone. If this is your cone, this is your right angle triangle. So we know that right angle triangle A B C. So Pythagoras theorem is so what is Pythagoras theorem? That is hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So what is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is your L, that is your slant height. L square, that is equals to perpendicular is your height is your 10 plus base is your radius is your 24 square. So the value of L will become 100 plus 576. So L square is equals to 676. This square will become square root on other side. The square root of 676 is 26 meter. The value of slant height will be become, that is 26 meter. Next is your cost of canvas required to make the tent. If cost of 1 meter square is rupees 70. First of all we have to calculate the area. So area uses curved surface area is pi r L. The value of pi is also given, that is pi 22.7. Radius is your 24 and the value of L is here known, that is 26. The total here the area of curved surface area will become that is this. But you have to find the cost of this total tent. So 1 meter square cost rupees 70. So 1 meter square cost, this is your for 1 meter square. This is but for 70 1 meter square is 70 rupees. So for total area, the total cost is, you will multiply this term with 70. So you will obtain 24 into 26 into 70. This 7 will cut on the table of 7 1 the 7, 7 10 the 70, and you will obtain the total result to be 1,37,280 rupees. So you will multiply the 70 with this whole term and you will obtain the total cost to be 1,37,280 rupees. That is your required answer.